Barak Shalom, holistic wellness and elevation, my brothers and sisters. We out here in the sanctuary of Almighty Nature. You know what time it is. Let nature be your guide, the doorway to knowledge, wisdom, and supreme natural intelligence. Radiance and life energy all around. You know we gotta stay connected, brothers and sisters. You know what time it is. Awaken your mind and get your behind back to the organic internet mainframe of Almighty Nature, which is a collective consciousness, the unified field of the divine, the great vine, derived from the vine of which you get your true information, knowledge, wisdom, and supreme natural intelligence from. Listen to reason and listen to wisdom. You know what time it is, my brothers and sisters.